So what's up guys? So welcome to my channel. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga ating latest video at mga topic ngayon. And before we start sa ating topic ngayon, update muna tayo sa ating PSE index. So makikita natin ang 52-week high is 8,419 for this year and 52 weeks low is 4,039.15. So nagsarado ang market ng March 20, nag-close siya ng 5,266.62 ang market natin. Para naman sa ating mutual fund, so makikita natin ang year to date para sa money market fund. Medyo nakakakita tayo ng green is ang 0.74% ang ALF Money Market Fund. Sa bond fund, so makikita natin medyo negative, namumula siya at 0.76% ang ALF Peso Bond Fund. Para naman sa balance fund and equity index fund, so makikita natin sila lahat na namumula, especially sa ating equity at saka index fund. So makikita natin na medyo talagang mataas ang bagsak ng market natin for this month. So okay, so let's start for our topic for today. Sabi naman sa ABS-CBN News, so si Jack Ma Foundation nagbigay daw ng so Philippines received first batch of COVID-19 aid from Jack Ma Foundation. So sabi, Manila, the first batch of medical supplies donated by Chinese billionaire Jack Ma arrived in the Philippines Friday to support the country's first against COVID-19. His foundation said in the joint statement, the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia will receive a combined total of 2 million face masks, test kits for 150,000 people, and 20,000 protective suits and 20,000 face shields. The Jack Ma Foundation and Alibaba Foundation said in a joint statement. So we hope the donation will help the Philippines to protect against COVID-19. We are doing all that we can to help the global fight, racing against the time and overcoming logistical challenges to deliver essential medical supplies, said the Jack Ma Foundation. The second batch of medical supplies is expected to arrive next week. It is said the Chinese billionaire earlier pledged to donate 500,000 masks and 50,000 COVID-19 testing kit. So makikita natin, so thank you for Jack Ma Foundation sa pagbigay sa atin ng mga medical kit at mga test kit, face mask para sa ating mga Pilipino, especially sa ating mga medical staff sa mga hospitals. And dito rin, sabi rin ni Business Mirror, PHEL gets its first batch of testing kits, mass donated by Jack Ma Alibaba Foundation. So so the Department of Health received on Friday the first batch of donation to the country by the Jack Ma Foundation and Alibaba Foundation, which include face masks and testing kits for coronavirus 2019. And also for Manila Bulletin, ating senator and ating pambansang kamao si Pacquiao turns over to the DOH 50,000 testing kits donated by Jack Ma. So sa ating senator, boxing icon Senator Emmanuel Manny D. Pacquiao on March 27, Friday, formally turned over the Department of Health the 57,000 COVID-19 testing kits donated by the Philippines by his billionaire friend and Alibaba Foundation founder Jack Ma. So Pacquiao said that the 400 million worth of testing kit donated by Ma to the Philippines government through the Manny Pacquiao Foundation would definitely go a long way in the fight against the dreaded COVID-19. So the testing kits were formally turned over to the DOH main office in Santa Cruz, Manila by Pacquiao's special assistant Jake Joson, Manny Pacquiao Foundation head of Choi Garcia, business manager Arnold Vegaria, and legal counsel Brando Biernesto. So again, thank you for Jackma and ating Senator Pambansang Kamao, Manny Pacquiao. So magka-friends pala sila ni Jackma Found para sa Jackma Foundation at nagbigay sila ng ating mga testing kit. So maraming matutulungan sa ating mga Pilipino dahil sa pagtulong ni Jackma and Manny Pacquiao. So yun, again, thank you for this is our topic for this day, and thank you for watching my video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for the latest update or latest video. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.